Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today, we have a fun art project from Miss Toups, an art teacher from Texas. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Toups. I teach at First Baptist Academy in Houston, Texas. Let's see what our project is for today. In today's project, I call this one Splat Bugs. You're going to need a piece of paper. I'm using a pipette, but you don't need this, and I'll show you how you can get around this. A black skinny Sharpie, a straw, some water, some watercolor paints, a paintbrush, and the googly eyes, but you don't need this, and I'll show you how to get around it. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by filling up the paint with water. So I'm going to squirt a whole bunch of water on there. And I'm just going to do the colors that I want to use. Orange. I'm going to do some pink. And then maybe go ahead and do some yellow too. Oh, purple. Let's do purple. All right. So if you don't have a pipette, that's okay. You can just take your little cup and pour some water in. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm going to be mixing these up. So I need some clean water to go ahead and clean my brush off every time I mix them. So I'm going to start by using the light colors first. So I'm going to use orange and I'm going to mix that. The more you mix, the darker the color will be. So if you don't mix very much, it won't be very dark. So I'm going to take that. And now my brush is all loaded up with that color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my loaded brush because it's full of paint. I'm using a really big brush for this, and I'm going to just plop it somewhere on my paper. Big old drop of paint, just like that. I'm going to put my paintbrush down, and I'm going to take the straw and I'm going to blow like this. Put my lips on the straw, and if I want to add some more orange, I can come back and add some more. And if I wanted to turn my paper, I could. And I could turn the direction. Look at that splat bug. That's a good one. It almost looks like arms and legs on that one. I'm going to rinse my brush off in the water. Take all that orange off. And I'm going to use the next color. And the next color I think I'd like to use is going to be this pink. So for this pink, mix it really good because I want it to be nice and dark. The more I mix, the thicker the paint is, the more bright it is. All right, I'm going to put a blob right there. I'm going to grab another scoop of that. And I'm going to put my brush down. Okay, I'm going to blow. You can make your bug go as big as you want or as little as you want. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more bug. We'll rinse my brush off. And I think the last bug I'm going to do is this bright blue right here. I'm going to do this blue. Mix it good. Load up my brush really good with lots of paint. And I'm going to put this last one down here. Get another scoop of that. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And then I'm going to blow that one. So those are my splat bugs. Now I have to wait for this to dry before I do the next step. I have a dry one already, so I'm going to move this one aside and I'm going to show you what to do as the next step when it's dry. When it's dry, you can take and use your googly eyes to add bug eyes to your different bugs. Or if you don't have googly eyes, you just need a Sharpie marker, something with a skinny point. Now on this one, I haven't added Google eyes, so I'll add this kind of eyes. So I'll make him one big eye there. One big eye there. And I don't know, this one looks kind of mad. So I might try an angry zigzag face. Oh, that's an angry bug. And on this one, I think I'm just going to give him one eyeball. Just like that. This will be like an alien bug. And I'm going to make him uncertain. On these, with googly eyes, I already have them, so I don't need to draw the eyes. But I will go back and add some smiley faces. Maybe this blue one over here will be shocked like a circle. Like that. And maybe this guy will be like a little tiny circle because he's a eek. I hope you guys enjoyed these splat bugs. These are fun bugs. Have a great day.